this is question asked in NEET, right? So they have asked that the given molecule A, B, C, D are there, right? Order of bond order they have asked. Whose bond length is more, whose bond length is less, that we have to tell it, right? So let us solve this. So the first compound, that is benzene here. So it is aromatic compound, right? So it is aromatic. Here what happens? Here double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond is there. It will do resonance. Because of resonance, what happens? Double bond becomes single bond becomes double bond. So we will get this structure. So what we will get? We will get this structure. So see, single bond became double bond, double bond, double bond. So we write the canonical structure of benzene like this. We do a circle. It means that initially if C double bond C, if its bond length is, let us assume that it is it is like 1 unit, and carbon carbon single bond, its bond length is around 2 unit, because carbon carbon single bond means bond length will be more, so it is 2 unit. So this is 1 unit bond length I am talking about, bond length, right? So if there is conjugation as in benzene, as it is benzene, so its bond length, the carbon carbon bond length will be around half of that, that is it is neither 1 nor 2, it is 1.5 unit, right? So I am assuming the length 1.5 unit. So this is about benzene. Talking about these two, B and C, let us see that. So B and C, we have seen this. So this was benzene. Benzene means it is aromatic, right? So the aromatic means cyclic should be there. After that conjugation should be there, conjugation, and it should satisfy 4n plus 2 pi rule, that is Huckel's rule. It has to satisfy, so it is aromatic compound, right? So talking about this compound, so this is what, this is a compound which is not aromatic, right? Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. This is not aromatic. Why it is not aromatic? Because it is not a planar molecule. It is not a planar molecule. It is non-planar. Non-planar. It is not a planar, it is non-planar. As it is non-planar, it is what? It is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic. Since it is non-aromatic, here no conjugation happens. No conjugation. No conjugation. So double bond remains double bond, single bond remains single bond. So I have assumed that C carbon C bond length is what? 2 unit, and C double bond C bond length should decrease as it is double bond, so it is 1 unit. So here if I tell, so the value of A, let me change the color of the pen. So value of A is 1 unit, and value of C, as it is single bond, this is single bond, so it should be 2 unit, because here no conjugation in these two molecules, no conjugation. No conjugation. Why? Because it is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic. So this is about it, right? And talking about this benzene, since it is aromatic, conjugation happens, it is planar and satisfy Huckel's rule, so it is between 1 and 2, so it is 1.5 unit. All these are nothing but the bond lengths, 1.5 unit, 1 unit, and here it is 2 unit. And talking about this D, so C triple bond C, still bond length decreases. So let us assume that it is like 0.5 unit, and C double bond C is what? That is 1 unit, and C single bond C is 2 unit, and in between, like conjugation happens, then it will be 1.5 unit. So our bond order A will be C. So this one D is what I have assumed to be 0.5 unit. If I compare all these things, that is A, B, C and D, whose bond length is more? Whose bond length is more? That is carbon carbon single bond length is more. So C is having greater bond length because it is 2 unit. Then comes what? 1.5 unit, that is A, and then comes B, that is 1 unit, and this is D, that is 0.5. I hope you got it. What is C? C is 2 unit, A is what? 1.5 unit, which is in benzene, and again B is 1 unit, and last one, that is D, that is 0.5 unit. So this is the bond order. So this has been asked. So this is one of the important question. It is based on only conjugation, aromaticity, non-aromaticity. Based on that we can tell it. Thank you.